Dave.
Hard and boots.
Right, we're back in the dome. This week we've picked up a straggler.
Kicking and screaming.
That's right, guys.
Go on, David.
Shut it.
Oh, he's back! Hey! Yeah, get that logo out. That's not allowed. For the first day, we started things off easy again, with some drills and free skiing, building up into a basic corridor to really nail the focus. But Tristan couldn't help himself, and the swing returned with a vengeance. We continued the combo focus from the last block, and after some video, built up into full-length runs. That is the first session of the block done, but now we've got something to look forward to this afternoon. Tristan has decided that this afternoon it's athletes versus coaches on Zwift. One lap on hilly route takes roughly 13-14 minutes. What temperature would you say it's outside, Billy?
When we start, 3 or 4, it's going to be 39 degrees.
39 degrees, bike race. Billy, Dave and I will put a time in, and so will Tristan, Alan and Jai. We've just skied 5 hours. That's a little excuse we can throw out there. We can't lose this. But Jai's a machine. Ooh,
Had one down my arse crack as well.
tricks of the trade.
Yeah. Rip that up, big man.
Finish strong. Jeez. Go on, David.
All day, brother. Come on, Bill. Get that 30.
That was seriously hard. This last block I've really focused on the weights and haven't been doing much intense stuff on the bike to help that, and yeah, got punished right there. I need to get in the water. Oh, that feels nice. Joe was busy tuning skis, so didn't manage to put a time in that afternoon, but he did clock a time the next morning. He needed a 12:33 for the coaches to take the win, but luckily for us came in with a 12:50. We lived to see another day because we wouldn't have heard the end of that. Anyway, back to the video. This is the reality of being out on camp. Wash clothes when you can. It was a good first day with Dave back. We're still missing Ryan, suffering with COVID. Fisher guys are here, so Dave and Billy have got some testing over the next few days. Here we go. Oh, look at all the... Oh,
Some fresh plastic.
ain't that nice? I may not film too much while they're testing. You know, top secret. I also did some testing myself, playing around with some of the different boots I had. It's a good opportunity in there to get a feel for different things on the ice, and the conditions are exactly the same each run. So you can really feel the difference between two different setups. As you saw on the bike, it was 39 degrees. These next couple of days, we had some trouble sleeping.
Any suggestions?
It's 8:56 and it's boiling.
Sweltering.
It's sweaty where it shouldn't be sweaty. A bit cold out in the hallway. Not cold out here.
Is it cold out here?
No, it's boiling.
It is boiling, isn't it? New technique. Is the wet towel tunnel going to work?
Ah, the wet towel tunnel.
I've heard of this technique. It's very small. It's safe to say the wet towel tunnel did not work, but we got through. Now on the second to last day, we had a bit of a lift planned. Both Dave and I are on Operation 130 clean. It's a bit of a race. So we were giving it an attempt.
Are you running to lift?
I don't know.
I'm not. Billy is.
Master.
God's sake. Kids.
Bodies are definitely feeling it.
Gently.
Go on, Dave! you were like that turtle. Get up! Go! Not for me today. Right, who's got better windscreens? Go. Jesus! Oh, that was impressive!
That looks like
I'm waiting for this. Get the important stuff done. Good morning. Good morning. Shipping out for the last session of the 4-day block. Alright, who parked this? See, Dave doesn't actually usually carry his own skis.
Okay.
He
Yeah.
only does this when I bring my camera out.
Yeah. Look. Yeah. Down low. Up top.
Lot of shoveling work to do.
Must stop. So glow. So flop. I ain't get my shot yet, but I'm gon' pop. Don't stop. Keep going. I got this mantra in my head and make me keep flowing. Pour shots. Keep pouring. It's no more vodka in my head. Got no release for it. I see a flip. I make a flip. I'm a hustler. I just hit a lick. It's that double shift. It's that overtime. I'm on my job, player. You know I was born to grind. It's for my people standing up until they back hurt. It's for my people standing up to get the cash, sir. My minimum wage and all my cash clerks. It's I gotta do, but yo, I need the bag first. It's just with me way before my bachelors. They with me, yo, they say I need a master's. They must have never heard me rap. It's a fat word. The system got me on my back. What's the answer?
Catch you later.
Down low.
Go on. Like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Oh, no.
Laurie on a fresh set of skis out.